Hello, my name is Louise and today I'm filming my 12th eyeshadow roulette. I had planned on filming this weekend, but this little girly, hello, my name is Louise and today I'm filming my 12th eyeshadow roulette. The little beeps in the background is a cat toy because we have recently introduced a third little kitty cat into our family. She's very cute, she's 9 months old, and she's very playful. But in order to give her the time needed to fit in and to adjust, then we spent a lot of time acclimatizing the cats to each other. We actually started last weekend when we picked her up from her former home. So it's been a week. We tried to do it the way you're supposed to, as in keep them separate in separate rooms, and then you switch blankets and la-di-da-di-da. There are so many people who are much better at explaining this than I am, but we did that for a week. And then this weekend we let them meet, and that's like, you want to make sure that they're nice to each other and not interfere too much. And now the little kitty is growling because she has a toy and the other kitty is interested in her toy, so no one's close to you, stop growling. Anyway, so 12th eyeshadow roulette. These colors were so fun. I was so excited about them. Yeah, it's gonna be the background music of this video is a beeping cat toy. But anyway, so the first color I randomized last time was this color from Lancome, a single, and I don't know what the name is, so I just called it no name. Beautiful blue, and I was, like I said last time, I was happy about getting a blue because I find it difficult to use blues. So yeah, since I'm filming it in the evening, the lighting is a little off, but it's a beautiful color. I used it twice. I kind of feel like I should have used it more, like same as with the color from last time, the Forest Dream from the Elva 2 palette, but whatever. Anyway, beautiful color. Maybe it's not as vibrant as it was back in the day, but still does the trick. The second color I generated was from the Huda Beauty Neon Pink. This color here, this pink glitter, very, very pretty. However, I find that the glitters are difficult to apply with anything else other than your finger. I feel like the oils from your fingers also means that you get hard pan pretty quick. It's a beautiful glitter. I had this one look where I just had MAC Groundwork paint pot as a base and then this on top. Oh my god, it was so pretty. I really did like this pink glitter shade. I will use it again, but the glitters are a little more finicky since you have to use a finger to apply, in my opinion. And also there's quite a lot of fallout, so I would suggest that you do your eyes first. The third shade was from one of my favorite palettes, and that's the Urban Decay Electric palette, and it was the color Freak, which is that one. Oh, I was so excited last time, and just looking at it. Have you not killed the birdie yet? Apparently not. Just looking at it made me really happy, and look at that swatch. Oh. So pretty. The pink glitter, by the way, I used twice. This one I also used twice. Oh, it's so pretty, so pretty. Like I've said before though, when it comes to colors that I really love, such as this one and a few more in this roulette, this is not a color that's difficult for me to use, but that also means that I feel like I easily forget that I have it somehow. So yeah, anyway, I used it twice, very happy. Chef's kiss. The fourth shade I randomized was another single, and it's from Buxom. It's called No Faux. It's a duochrome shifting in brown and metallic green. It's so pretty, like so pretty. Oh, and it's like the most amazing color because it has so much warmth in it. Look at that. Even though it's like, here you can see the green shift and then the brown. Even though it's very cool because of the green, somehow it's still very warm. Oh, I used this color twice. And at one point I used only this one, and it gives so much depth to a look. It's just, oh, it's beautiful. And the final shade I randomized was from the Nabla Dreamy palettes, and it was the color Sistina, which is this one, that one there. Such a pretty matte, like a muted peach, I said last time. Oof, yep, use this one twice. I used all the colors twice this time. So this was last time. I was so pleased with this lineup, so pretty. I enjoyed them all. I mean, I could almost use only these colors for the rest of my life because they're so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I don't have that much else to say, unfortunately. So let's just go into the selfies. Okay, so time to randomize new shades. And as per usual, computer. So I have 56 colors in singles and I have 316 colors in palettes. So I will enter in 372 into the random number generator and then generate 296. So that is from a palette. Let us see. I had the feeling that it was this palette. It's from the Nikkie Tutorials in Beauty Bay palette. And it's the color Slasher. Wow. I think it's a dark color, like a dark burgundy, maybe like a dark purple. Yes, my memory serves me correctly. It's that one. Oh. Ooh, it looks much more purple. Actually, yeah, so nice one. Nice one. And then the second shade, 331. That's late in the collection. I am excited. Ooh, it's from my Zodiac, BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. And that color I've described as dark gray. I think it's right under the Libra color. Where do we have Libra? Here. Oof, Libra is so pretty. Libra is this one, so that's the color. Okay. I'm a little apprehensive because two dark shades and both are mattes. It's pretty. It's like a dark gray brown. Okay. The third shade, 89. That's early in the palettes. It's from, okay, well, it's from the Stila Eyes Are the Window Soul palette. Hello? Oh my god, so heavy. And it's from the Stila Eyes of the Window Soul palette, and it's the color Substance, okay, which is this gray shimmer, metallic gray. Okay. Here is the little monster. This is the new little monster. Yes. Hello. Her name is Mai. Or Mai-san. You made my desk shake. Yep. Look, she has espresso eyes. Like she's drunk 17 espressos and regrets the 17th. Anyway, so the color Substance, this one, a metallic gray brown. Okay, well, all three would work together. Very dark look in comparison to last time's, but you know. The fourth color, 141. Not a single. Ooh, it's from the NYX Air palette, one of my favorite palettes. And I have described it. Ooh. Pink purple duochrome. Ooh, doesn't that sound nice? Yep. This one, it's very pretty. It's very light, but it's very pretty. I'm not sure it's gonna show up on camera, but oh my god, she's growling so hardcore. Anyway, there we have that one. Oh, it's a horrible swatch, but it's beautiful. It's actually really pretty. So, wowza, will you give it up? Aggressive. And now the fifth and final shade. 165. Again, okay, it's from the Urban Decay and Christian Liane palette. Oh, yes, it's the color Lime Time, which I have had before. I don't know why, but I really did not feel like that palette again. I want like a new palette, a different palette. So, re-randomizing the fifth shade. Okay, pretty late, 234. Ooh, I haven't had this one before. It's from the Morphe Always Golden 9A palette. It's the final color in the palette. It's called Storm, which makes me think it might be dark. But, you know, let's see. Yep, it's a black shade. It's that one. Okay, well, you know, that color is pretty. You can't even see it. It's a discreet. Last time. This time. Nighttime. Daytime.
Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime.
Anyway, yeah, okay, so these 2 weeks challenge will be a real challenge. But if we're gonna look on the positives, 3 of the 5 palettes, because it's from 5 different palettes, are pretty colorful and therefore pretty inspiring. So I will be able to create good looks with these. As long as I incorporate these somehow, then, you know, the looks will be colorful and happy and nice. So not gonna be too disappointed. Not gonna be too disappointed, even though I look at these and I'm like, oh my god. Okay, well, okay, so like, Anyway, let's go through these colors. So the first one is from the Nikkie Tutorials in Beauty Bay palette, and it's the color Slasher. Then we have from the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, and it's like a dark gray. Then we have the color Substance from the Stila Eyes Are the Window Soul palette. We have a pink purple duochrome from the In Your Element Air palette from NYX. And then finally we have the color Storm from the Always Golden Morphe 9A palette. Yeah, like I said, it'll be a challenge. But, you know, that's the point of these roulettes. Challenge. Otherwise, I mean, what would be the point if it was colors that I love every single time and that I'm like always gravitating towards. Positive outlook. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Okie dokie. Well, anyway, I'm going to go eat some ice cream. Actually, maybe I should. No. Should I? Should I? Yeah. First I'm gonna eat some noodle soup. Then I'm gonna eat ice cream. That sounds much better. So anyway, yes, we are going to say good night or goodbye. Stay safe, wash your hands, get vaccinated, and I will see you in 2 weeks, hopefully with some fun looks to show. Bye!